Euroboor ECO.60S, when accuracy and power matter most. Featuring a powerful 1600-watt motor, annular cutting up to 60mm diameter, twist drilling up to 23mm diameter, countersinking up to 65mm diameter. ECO.60S. Optimized slide and rail construction for more accurate drilling. Integrated oil bath gearbox with 2 mechanically adjustable gears. Detachable Morse Taper 3 spindle with internal lubrication. Adjustable RPM to guarantee the optimal speed for every drilling task. Accurate, powerful, and lightweight. ECO.60S Magnetic Drilling Machine.